students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll discuss the chapter 5 of your book, that is creating a web page using HTML. So in the last video we have learned about the basics of HTML and you have learned the basic tags of HTML. So we'll learn further more in this video and try to create a beautiful web page. Okay, so to start with the process, we'll first learn about headers. So headers are just like the heading. Okay, there are mainly 6 headers: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, and by different headers you can put headings of different sizes. Okay, let's look into our code. Okay, so this is the last program which we did in the last video. So this is the basic structure of a HTML code. Now I want to put some headings in my content. So the content will be inside the body tags. So this is the content and I want to put it in a header. So I will give h1. Okay, and I have to close it also, h1. Okay, now I have saved it. So this file was already saved as first HTML dot HTML. So I just pressed Ctrl S. Then I have to go to my folder and open. See, this is the content. This content is little bit bold now. Okay, it looks like a heading. Okay, now I am showing you the other headers. There are 6 headers, remember, there are 6 headers. So I will just copy this thing and I will use all the 6 headers, h6. Now I have to close them also. It is h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. Okay, I've saved it. Now let us see what happens. See, all the contents came but of different sizes. This one is of h1 and last one is of h6. Okay, now if I want to bring the contents to center, then I have to use align attribute. Okay, h1 is a tag and with this we should use align attribute, ALIGN, align, and it has 3 values: left, center, right. By default it is in the left. Okay, and if I write center, okay, the contents will come in the center. So let's just copy it and put everywhere. Okay, now save. See, the contents came in center. Okay, now we'll learn about paragraph tag. So let's delete these things and I want to put a paragraph here. Heading. Okay, and I want to give here a paragraph. So with p tag it suggests that it is a paragraph. Okay, paragraph. Okay, now the important thing is this p tag is a empty tag. Okay, so empty tag means it should not be closed. Okay, it may be closed, but it is not necessary. So let's run this. So see, heading comes as it is aligned in center, so it has come in the center, and this is a paragraph. Okay, now I want to align these also to the center, so here I should write align equal to center and Control S. Now see, the paragraph has come to the center. Now we'll learn about line breaks. Okay, now let's just write one thing. This is the second line. Okay, see, this is a paragraph, this is the second line. Okay, now I want that this is the second line should come to the next line. Okay, so here I should put line break. Okay, like this way. Okay, now Control S. When you refresh the code, see, this is the next line comes to the next line. Okay, so line has broken. So now we'll learn about HR tags. So that is horizontal rulers. Okay, so it is basically used to give horizontal lines. Okay, let me just show you how to give it. So I want that after this heading there should be a line in this way. Okay, then I should put here HR. Okay, just simple. Okay, I have to save it, Control S. See, there is a line. Okay, if I put more HR like this, so I put 2 HRs, so there are 2 lines. Okay, now we can also color these lines. Okay, here is the HR tag of the first line, so I should write here COLOR. Okay, remember that the spelling of color is COLOR here. Okay, you should not write COLOUR, then it will be wrong. Color equal to, let's say, blue. Okay, and this color equal to green. Okay, now save. See, this is of blue color and this is of green color. Okay, in this way you can give color to the horizontal rules which I've created through HR tags. Now you can also increase the size of these lines. Okay, by putting size attribute. Here HR is the tag, color is the attribute, blue is the value. Okay, now I am using a size, it is a attribute. Size, let's say 5. Okay, save. See, it is wider now. Now let's say here I write size equal to 10. Now the green color will be more wider now, like this. Okay, now we learn about font tag. Okay, so font is a tag. It is used to write lines, and it has attributes like face. Face is the name of the font. You know, there are various font names like Times New Roman, Arial, then Monotype Cursiva, then Calibri. So in this way you can put the font name in face and size and color. So there are face, size and color attributes of font tag. So let us let us learn how to use the font tag. Now here I am adding the font tag. So font, let us use the first attribute, that is face. So this I have to put within double quotes, okay, and I have to close the bracket, and this is font. Okay, now I have to close the font tag. Remember, this is not an empty tag, this is non-empty tag, so I have to close it. Then I make use of the second attribute, that is let's say size equal to, let's say I give 10 here. Then close, size of the font. Okay, now close the font tag, then color. So okay, now just see one thing. In this font tag I have written this is font and in Times New Roman font face. Okay, now only this writing will be in Times New Roman. Okay, this writing will be of size 10 and it will be of default font. Okay, and this writing will be in color red, but it will be in default font. Okay, Times New Roman will be applied only to this font. Okay, let us give monotype cursive. Monotype cursive is a italic font. Cursive. Let's save it. Okay, see, this is the second line and this is font. So this writing is in monotype cursive, and size of the font I have given 10, so it is large, and in this line the color of the font is red. Okay, now if I put here BR line break, then it has come here. Now if I want these three in 3 different lines, then I have to use BR tags. Here, here. Okay, now you can also use all the attributes of the font in the same time. Now let us copy one. Let us copy this thing and writing here, let us paste here. Okay, now face is given, I should write here size also, size equal to, let's say 12, and color is equal to green. Okay, so all attributes of the font tag. Okay, so in this line I have used all the attributes of the font tag. Let's just check it. See, here it is written all attributes of the font tag. The font used here monotype cursiva, so face attribute has done its work, and the size of the font is 12, the size attribute has done his work, and the color is green, so the color attribute also done its work. So all the attributes worked at the same time. Okay, there are some more formatting styles which we can put to use to format our text. Those are bold, italic and underline. Okay, so how to use them, let's just say line break B. To use bold I should write only B tag. Okay, this is bold. I have to close it also. Okay, now to write in italics I should write I. This is italic. I should close it also, and to write in underline I should write U. Close, and let us give the line breaks. Save and see it. See, this writing is in bold, this is in italic, this is in underlined. Okay, now we're going to learn a very interesting thing, that is marquee tag. Marquee tag displays a scrolling message. Okay, so let's just use it, MARQUEE. Okay, close, and whatever you will write here it will move in a horizontal manner. Okay, this is a marquee line. Let's Control S, BR, Control S. See, this is a marquee line, it is scrolling. Now we'll learn about comments. So what are comments? Comments are the things, if when you write using comment symbol, then those things will not be displayed in the web page. Let us write here BR, and comment is written by starting the angular bracket and exclamation sign, and this is a comment. Okay, and see, I have written here something, but this thing, if I save it, this thing will not be displayed in the web page. See, there is nothing, this is a comment is not displayed here. Okay, now we'll learn about body background color. So what is body background color? If I want to color the background of the screen or of the body means the contents of the web page, then I should use body background color. How? In the body tag, if I write BG color equal to, let's say, yellow, then after saving, when I see, my background is yellow color. Okay, now we'll learn how to insert images. Yes, we can also insert images to our web page. So to insert image we should use image tag. Okay, let's just say I want to insert image here, img, not image, you have to write img, img, then src, it means source, and you have to type the image name. Now you have to know where your image is, you have to give the perfect location of the image. So in my case let's just put this image. Okay, then I have to click right click and see the properties. So here it is saying that it is a PNG file. Okay, you can put either JPG file or PNG file. So its location is C users Abhra and desktop. So I have to copy this location and put it here, desktop. Okay, then what is the name is this one. Okay, then I have to copy this and dot png. Okay, now I have to just close it. Okay, I don't need to put /img. Now I am closing it. Now let's just check it. I've saved it and see my image has come, but it is very big. Okay, now let's just erase it. Now I want the image should be present in my background. Okay, the whole background, like it is now of yellow color, the whole background should be a image. Means I want to put a image in my background. Okay, body. So then I should use in this body BG color, I should use body background. Then I have to give the image dot png. It was the name of the image, but I have to give the location also. So now I have to go to the, here is the location, copy, okay, it has been done. So Control S. Now let's check it. See, now my body background is a image. Okay, which I am given. So in this way you can put an image in your body background. So let's just keep up to this, and in the next video we'll learn about list and tables and hyperlinks. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.